Hi, good to be a part of this group this morning. I'm excited for the class.
Right? This is not just about your smarts and the what that you're delivering. It's about the how you're doing it. And it's one of the most important lessons that I learned and, took in and referred to time and time again.
Investing in integrations, making sure your data is consistent and accurate, and then always have a single source of truth.
Most importantly, how we use testing as our source of truth and helping that validate our models.
As an exec, building the credibility with your board, and then as the people laddering up to the exec, knowing what your exec needs from you in order to be successful in their work.
I have been joining your courses for the few last months, and thank you for this great session.
Thank you for the opportunity. It's a pleasure.